everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. As you guys can see from the title, today's video is just going to be my outfits of the week for the first week of school. And yes, my makeup is the same because I do the same thing every day. If you guys would like me to do an updated everyday makeup routine, let me know. Also, every day I'm pretty sure I wore my hair up in a high ponytail because it's still really hot here and it gets my hair out of my face. Also, I do not have a voiceover for any of the outfits, but I do show on the screen where everything is from, and we'll have links to it all in the description box. So if you like when I do outfit of the days and outfits of the weeks, be sure to let me know because I can definitely do them more often. And without further ado, let's get into the video. For the first week of school. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button to become part of the Allie squad. I upload 2 to 3 new videos a week. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!